Hello everyone. So today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to make PPT directly with a tool that I have developed. So what you need to do is go to my website. You can type Dr. Ninad and search for the first official website of Dr. Ninad Mehndai. I think not yet so popular, but yeah, this is the official website. And then what you need to do is click on this particular page and go to projects and look for 29th project, which is a PPT generator. So here, what you need to do is enter the slide title in our demo. Okay. And then you need to paste a path of a image that you want to insert. You can leave it blank if you don't want to insert any image. And generally, I prefer image per slide. So I will choose this particular image or this particular image. And then what I will do is I will right click and go to its properties. And this is the path. I will just copy that path. So picture1.jpg. That is the file name. I will come here. I will paste that entire path. And then I will say picture1.jpg. And then finally, I will say point one about that picture. I can add more point two about that picture, point three, new point, and this is how two line point is added, or three line, I don't know. And then you just click on generate Python script. So you'll get the script. You can just copy the script and then come to your Python compiler, select a new one, click on paste. Okay. Now here you have to ensure that you save this file somewhere. So I will save it as slide one or slide two, whatever, slide three dot py. And then just run the script and you will see your PPT is ready. It will be in the same folder where you have saved the file. So this is the PPT generated from the code. You can see in answer demo and everything is as per the standards. So this is how you use this particular slide generator so that uniformity is maintained throughout. Thank you.